Actually, shit, stop.
What, down?
Yeah. I forgot that jack's basically broken. I forgot about that.
It's a really important detail.
The handle started coming off and you can't tighten the bolt. The actual pump mechanism down at the bottom.
Alright guys, welcome to the channel. We're doing the easiest front brake upgrade on any E46 that's not a 330. And that's because you're using 330 brakes. It is plug and play. So we did a few things before we put the caliper in.
Yeah, so we hit the new caliper with a little wire wheel to knock off all the old brake dust and road grime that had built up on them. We hit them with high temp caliper paint, a little silver here, black for a nice contrast on the caliper bracket, same thing, we just hit it with the wire wheel, cleaned it up, slapped some paint on, let them dry a little bit in between coats, get a nice thick coat on there so it stands up over time, it looks great.
Yeah, and so you don't even need a clear coat for this. So some of the things you need is you need 330 front rotors, they're 325 millimeters. You need the carriers, caliper carriers from the 330, and obviously 330 calipers. Something I recommend you do while you're here is just change the pin bushings. They're $8 a side. I mean, it's not too bad. And yeah, so another thing we did is we're putting ATE 200, Type 200 fluid in there, along with some Akabono pads, and we're going to see where that takes us.
And real quick, just some of the tools we're going to be using, a little pry bar to pop off, a little rattle clip here. We have our 9mm for the bleeder, little 14 flare nut so we don't strip it for the brake line itself, 7mm Allen for the carrier bolts, caliper bolts, sorry, and a 16mm for the carrier bolts.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started.
Stubborn.
So when you do this upgrade, you're definitely going to have to do a brake flush. Absolutely mandatory. By removing the caliper, you're going to get air into the system. And if you're painting your new ones, you're probably going to want to have no fluid in them from pushing the piston back out. And as a side effect, you're most likely going to need to bleed the system. Drip, drip, drip.
Oh, actually, we need to grab the... I might need fresh gloves too.
Gotcha. Alright.
Oh my god! Jesus fucking Christ.
Solid.
It's heavy.
It's 28 pounds.
Oh, imagine that.
Dang. Yeah, there, just finish it.
Yeah.
Alright, carrier first.
Yes.
Yes. Can I just say I love how sexy these things are?
It's really nice. I can't wait to do mine.
Should I put my wheel on the other side?
No, because we haven't even started.
Oh, bleeding. Well, I guess.
I need you to hold the line and wipe it down so we don't get as much brake fluid all over the place as possible.
It's really pissing itself.
It's not going to stop. We're just going to have to jam it in quick and go.
Something that should be. grab the anti-rattle. You want me to hold it?
Sure. Thanks, mate. Doing it with a friend's always nice.
Oh, you just turned. Oh.
Your wheel, or your key must be in.
It is. So we're done.
You need your other bar, E36s, a bunch of shit. What was it doing? Oh, it's zip tied.
You know what this actually looks like? Like this won't work. Oh, there. No, it will. Yeah.
And there, we just showed him how to do a
brake sensor delete.
Yeah.
It's like that.
It isn't actually delete, it's just a relocate.